Hello everyone, welcome to this short presentation about DART, the Design Alternatives Reporting Tool. This tool was developed at the Computational Design Lab in Simon Fraser University, and it was supervised by Professor Khalil Orhan, and the team was led by me, Osama Al-Salman. This research could have not been possible without funding through Mitacs internships from Stantec and the Boeing company, and close collaboration with the computational designer Alyssa Haas. So let's take a look at this typical scenario. We have a group of stakeholders who have a set of targets and design goals in their minds, and they go to a design firm and ask them to develop a certain design. Then the designers at the design firm start modeling and curating a set of design alternatives along with their performance data. The next step is to share these design alternatives with the stakeholders to get some feedback. But the question is, how? The current sharing approach includes compiling and preparing a PDF report or a PowerPoint presentation and then inviting the stakeholders for a meeting where these design alternatives are presented, or sending them by email. However, this is limited because it creates an overhead for these meetings. Also, it does not allow the designers to explore the design alternative data interactively. Our approach is to create a system support tool that augments the modeling, presentation, and feedback, and finally feedback presentation cycle. Hence, we augment the modeling environments with a custom plugin that is responsible for the reporting and generation of design data. And then, these data is submitted to the cloud, where our interface, DART, pulls these data and pushes stakeholders' feedback. Stakeholders can access DART asynchronously from different cities at different times and using different devices. So why do we select this approach? First, stakeholders can access the design alternatives from any place at any time using an internet device. Hence, this decreases the costs and overheads of meetings. Secondly, the curation and update of design data is a seamless process that can be integrated with any workflow and motivates more feedback cycles. Next, stakeholders are able to explore the design data interactively and more thoroughly. Stakeholders can give feedback collaboratively. In other words, they build on and respond to each other's feedback. And finally, the feedback is compiled and presented in a structured manner to the designers. Throughout the design and development of DART, we have developed a series of prototype interfaces that allow stakeholders to collaborate by inspecting design alternatives, both form and performance, giving structured and refined feedback, and the conversion of multiple design alternatives. If you are interested in this system and had an experience in any field as a designer or a client, we are currently looking for participants for a short study that helps us further improve and develop this software. Please contact us at the following email.